Hey guys, it's been a while. I'm covered in Bondo again. Still working on the truck. Jesus. Okay, so we got this side looking pretty good. I got to hammer down this little high spot right here. Added more Bondo in order to get the really big pinholes down. Don't mind stuff like this. This is all going to get cut down with the DA sander, which is right here. Using 100 grit. Filled in the dents right here. These are all filled. Still got to block these. Ooh, I didn't like that. Yeah, that's still pretty high. So I got to block that. But this side is the worst side to fix all the dents. Let me get you guys straight real quick. There we go. And then turn this. Bam, there we go. All right, so I still got to block a lot of the stuff, but I'm using the DA to cut the new Bondo. Got a lot more work to do. Sorry guys, I haven't been filming. Been dealing with some personal stuff, but it's looking good. It's looking really good. So let me let this dry, and then I will cut it, and you guys will cut with me.
Young sad Yori, I ain't got shit but money. Yeah. Post pics on Instagram that might steal your honey. Yeah. So hot I give the sun a run for his money, but I'm chillin' like I'm Ice Cube, cold nose runny. Left the horn red cause I thought the shit was funny. Yeah. What goes around comes around, she had karma coming. Yeah. I be in the wilderness, I got llamas bumping. All this shit I'm writing down just like it's nothing. I'm Harlem Globetrotting on these niggas, I'm ballin'. Yeah. I got no expiration date, but I ain't no college. Yeah. And I ain't tell your man shit, but why you be calling? I could expose you on this song, don't you play with my patience. All you niggas watching like you needed some Lasix. Yeah. I was there once, but all y'all live in the basement. Yeah. I ain't fond of Reggie rappers begging for placement, so what the fuck I'm supposed to do with all you niggas that's basic? Miss me with the lies and all the misinformation. Yeah. You grieving over all the chances you should've taken. Yeah. Why you acting like the shit be difficult? Say it. You took a L, sit the fuck down and wait for your payment. You took a L, sit the fuck down and wait for your payment. You took a L, sit the fuck down and wait for your payment. It's gonna be hell when she come round and ask for my fragrance, cause she can smell when I come round and try to be blatant.
Alrighty, ran out of that because I've been using that for God knows how long, and I use this, right? Man, is that stuff hard to cut. Okay, so I'm gonna leave that there. This is like filler for any low spots that I missed. So I'm gonna leave that there and leave that there because just doing this side was hell. And yeah, you guys can see that I still need to go here and here and a little bit right in there. But other than that though, the corner panel is practically good to go. Just got to work on this side now. But man, I spent all day on just pretty much practically on this side, and this is what I got. You know, you'd think that it would look a lot better, but nope, this is what I got. So that's done apparently. Just gotta scrape together some more blue and get it all there and sand it down. But Jesus, man, is that stuff hard as hell to cut. This is the best stuff ever. The blue Z. Is that a leaf in there? There is a leaf in there. Gross. Oh, I'm gonna get all covered in this stuff, and this stuff hurts to peel off your arm, especially when you have arm hair. So for now, what I'm gonna do is, I don't know if you guys can see me. And no. So for now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wait till tomorrow. Come on, light, work with me here. I'm gonna wait till tomorrow. I'm gonna put my hand up so that way you guys can actually see me. I'm gonna wait till tomorrow to sand the rest of the stuff. And no, I don't have a question. Hands up to get the light to reflect off my hand to hit this ugly ass face. So I'm gonna cut this stuff down tomorrow, and hopefully that side is finished, because I'm ready to move on and work on the doors now, and I'm ready to move on and work on the fenders and the hood and paint.
6 hours later.
It is the next day, and I'm currently going to be working on this side a few bit more, because remember I told you guys I had to sand that part and this part. Just got done watching some Young Static to get my motivation up, because I'm a lazy bastard. So, oh, I still gotta put some more here. Damn, I forgot. In that little spot right there. Fuck. Alright, and then after this is all said and done, door, and then fender, and then hood, and then fender again, and then door, and then quarter panel, and then the rear. The rear is the last spot I'm gonna be doing, because I know that my grandpa likes to work on a lot of things. And is that a fucking dent right here? Because that side doesn't look like it has it. Like, this side looks like it has a line right here, and it just like, or is that from hitting this? I don't know. Like, look at how off that is right there too. But on this side, this is all Bondo. All this right here is Bondo, and I don't know if you guys can see that, but there is a karate chop right there on the side. So it's a lot of work. It's a lot of work. I'm still wearing the same pants I wore yesterday, because why ruin pants when you can just wear the same ones and get these ones all messed up? So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to charge the camera, because this camera dies pretty quick. Hi, Toast Bear. And yeah, let's get this charged up right now. Okay, so Alex is here for literally 5.7 minutes. He just got done painting the rest of this truck back here. You guys can see that it is seamless. Mac, shut up. Hi Domino, hi Moose. And shout out to Rodrigo, who hooked it up and bought me a GoPro Hero 8, which is sick, because when this car is running, he's gonna do a few pulls with it, and we're gonna mount this bitch right on the glass, and you guys can get some rolling shots, because everybody knows your boy can't leave the house because I'm agoraphobic. But this shit is dope. It is sick. I feel like Young Static with it. Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Young Static here. Today we're gonna be working on the KRX and the all-wheel drive wagon, because man, I wish I had an all-wheel drive wagon. My life sucks. I wish I had stuff. I wish I could do things. I wish I was smart like him. God damn it. But yeah, I'm still laying some Bondo. Just got done finishing this side over here, where Alex is sitting down. That boy is smooth. Watch out. Move your head. Move your head. This is all nice and smooth. All one unit. Alex can suck my unit. And still got to send, if you want to. Okay. And still got to do this little spot right here. Ooh, that is a dentaroni. But man, this pink stuff is hard as hell to sand. Alex is telling me to use the damn, what is going on with my tripod here? I have this thing all over the place. Alex is telling me to use the yellow filler that I have to sand with, because he says it cuts better. Hopefully it's yellow. It is yellow, right? So I'm gonna be using that instead of the pink one, because damn, that pink one is hard as hell to cut.
I'm using the glaze I have.
Oh, dude, no, that glaze is like cement. So, are you staying or are you going?
I'm staying.
I thought you had food.
That's fine. I'll heat it up later.
Go get your food, go eat, come back.
Bro, I'm not gonna do that shit.
Hey.
I sat in an hour of traffic right
It's
now.
not your car, it's not your guest.
I gotta be in it driving it.
Oh, my bad, you got AC.
Yeah, but I didn't have the AC on
Why didn't you turn the AC on?
because then nobody can hear my music. So I have to put the
Si
windows
quema,
down.
no quema?
Quema.
Tú sabes. Two Sabies. That's what two sabes looks like to me. Alright. Got this all done. It's all nice and smooth. Still gotta do that one. And that one. I'll do that'll finish tomorrow. That'll finish tomorrow. And then we can work on this side. Yay! And then we can sand it all down. Then we can sand it all down, right, Cos?
Yes, sir.
Sand it all down and see what the frick is going on. And then find the dents and whatnot. And then fill them in. Because I know there's a dent here. Because my grandpa put these janky little things that he screwed in, and it was like causing rust to come in here. And yeah, it needs to be leveled. And then the roof, you guys can see there's some dents. Obviously, that's a low spot right there. My eyes hurt. My eyes hurt.
Custom sunroof.
My eyes hurt. And now what we do here is play the waiting game. It's time to get to work. Alright guys, check this out. So, got this all sanded down. You guys can see where I marked my highs and lows, my lows and highs, my highs and lows, my mediums and lows. There's a dent here that's pretty deep, as you guys can see. But gonna do all that today and then get the fender all done today, because this is pretty much done on this side. No more dings and dents under well, under here I haven't gotten to yet, but the rest will be situated when that time comes. Get you guys straightened out right here. So yeah, just waiting on my grandpa to show up with the Evercoat Z-Grip. Alrighty. So, found out that this was where I put the welds last time, because my grandpa put a mirror here, which was bolted up to the door frame here. Why, I don't know. And he also had shitty handles right here. Sorry, Pop. But they're not OEM factory, so laid more Bondo on some of the more low spots I found, and gonna sand those after they harden. But right now I'm gonna fuck around with Coslow while he's just sitting there minding his own business, and I'm just gonna look for something to throw at him, you know. That's just what we do. Just start throwing shit at him, you know. Throw random shit at him. Just throw random shit at him.
Hey!
Just throw random shit at him. Did it hurt?
Yeah.
Sorry. Sorry.
It's for the video.
It's for the video. What did I tell you about doing this shit, man? Let me see this.
8 ball.
You see this? Don't let your friends do 8 balls. It's terrible. Put it in your mouth. No, I'm just kidding. Don't do that. Fun fact, my mom had a Ford Escort.
Diet Coke, please.
Oh, jeez. Jesus. My mom had a Ford Escort, and the first thing I bought her for her Ford Escort was fuzzy dice, but the dice were actual 8 balls, because she had an 8 ball shift knob and an 8 ball hubcap, so it had that little 8 ball in the middle. Hey, bitch, you know, for somebody who's a fucking kid, I was trying to be cool with my mom, okay? And I was trying to get her something cool. It was the 90s, fuck you.
Yeah.
When were you born?
90s.
90 what?
95.
Yeah, you were halfway through the 90s, so you didn't get to experience it the way that I got to experience it. I'm not ancient. You're 5 years younger than me.
You're already wearing a diaper, dude.
No, I'm not. I just showed my stretch marks on camera. Hello, my beautiful friends. It is the next day. I didn't sand anything today because I've been too tired. Not tired, essentially, but just kind of procrastinating. You know, woke up early, and I didn't sand anything. You guys can see that. So, I'm just going to do it tomorrow. Been at this for a few days straight, so kind of beat, getting sick of doing it. It's not like I'm just putting a little bit of Bondo in one spot and then like that be that, and then continue with the rest of the car. I'm trying to get this perfectly smooth and like ready for Grandpa, because he's done a lot for me, and it's only right if I do a lot for him. So it's kind of like a little thank you to him for everything that he's done for me. Sorry, I'm yawning. But I have been just bored. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to smack that like button. Please make sure to subscribe, and if you guys want to save yourself some money, link is down below in the description, where you guys can save money on a lot of other car parts. And if you guys need any motor work done, head on over to SB Machine Shop, because they do your motor for a good price. I was gonna say for cheap, but nothing in this world is cheap. So yeah, subscribe, turn on the notifications when I upload, because my upload schedule is going to go back to normal Monday, Wednesday, Friday. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. My name is Chris from Lazymangarage, and I'm lazy so you don't have to be. Peace.